How to find influencers inside the Amazon website to promote your product so you can get sales. Because when you become Amazon seller, so Amazon also wants you to get more and more sales. And to do that, Amazon basically provides you a lot of tools and techniques to get sales. So as you know that I keep talking about these kind of ways and tips and tricks on my channel about getting sales on Amazon. So today I'm gonna talk about influencer marketing. And it's not like the common marketing just like you are seeing on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, TikTok, but it's like an influencer marketing inside the Amazon website. Because some years ago, Amazon has launched their influencer program, which is called Amazon Influencer Program, in which some influencers who are having decent amount of following on social media enroll in that program and review the products on Amazon in their live session or in their video. And when someone from Amazon website see their video and purchase a product, so they will get the commission. So in that way, both the parties will get benefit. Like you will get the sale and they will get the commission. So in this video, I'm going to show you step by step how to find the correct influencer inside the Amazon website to promote your product. So by doing that, they will actually promote your product and you will get more and more sales. So imagine if you find out 5, 10 or even 20 influencers and ask them to promote your product, because they will also get the benefit. So along with organic ranking, along with PPC and along with other strategies, you will also get some sales from this program. So if you're not using this technique till now, so you're missing a lot of sales. So right after watching this video, I must say that please implement this strategy. This will not take more than 1 hour, but it can actually give you more sales and boost. But before getting started, I'm having an exciting news for you, because I'm giving you a chance to win a free consultation call with me. So to enroll in that lucky draw is super simple. All you have to do is comment on this video and join my Facebook group Ways to Sell Online. That's it. This is a 10-second process. So what are you waiting for? Go there, enroll yourself in that free lucky draw and get a chance to win some valuable stuff every week. And the details about the winners and the prizes you can find in that group. Alright guys, so as you can see here, I'm on my laptop right now, and from here I have searched Amazon Influencer Program on Google. So I can just show you how this program works, and then later I'll show you how the influencers are actually promoting some people's product and they're actually getting sales. So you can contact them and you can also ask them to promote your product so they can add your product in their storefront, review your product, post the video, and you will get sales. So after searching that keyword, if I click on this first link, so you can see that this page is for influencers where they can go and they can apply, and when Amazon approves, so they will be an Amazon influencer. You can see that inspire shoppers as an Amazon influencer. And if you go down, so you can see the details of this program, like build your storefront, create and earn. So whoever is an influencer on Instagram, TikTok or YouTube, they can actually build their storefront, they can create the account and they can earn money by adding the products, right? And if I scroll further down, so you can see some other information about this program. So if anyone want to become an influencer on Amazon, they only have to apply today and start creating content. If they click on sign up and then click on create, and from there you can see that they have to sign up from any of their account like Instagram, YouTube, TikTok or Facebook, because Amazon want to check their eligibility. If they are eligible and if they are really an influencer, then Amazon will open their account and they can start promoting. And now I'm going to show you the place where they are promoting the products. So all you have to do is you have to go on your browser and type amazon.com/live. And when you open that page, so you will be able to see this Amazon Live shoppable video, on which you can see on the left side there are multiple influencers. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and so on. So they are the influencer and they are basically promoting some products. They are unboxing, reviewing. Some of them are reviewing in the live session and some of them are basically recording videos and uploading videos on the listing. So in that way they are making their money, and from this page you can get the benefit as well, because from there on this page you can see that this lady is basically doing the Amazon live session, and during that live session she is promoting product. And if you scroll down, you can see the page name is Amazon Live Deal. You can either follow that page and then you can just check out the product they are promoting. You can see that this product worth $300, like it's a Fire TV, and this product is $429. So basically they are promoting these kind of high ticket products in their Amazon live session. So whenever someone purchases this product from their live session, so they will get commission. So now on this page you have to do some research, you have to do some work. You have to check all of these influencers one by one, check their videos, check their live session, and then try to find out some influencers who are basically promoting product in your category. Like they are promoting electronics product, and you can see if I scroll down, so it is recommending me some live session, like recommended live streams for you. So you can open these streams as well, and from the thumbnail you can see that what kind of product they are promoting. Like in this image I can see that they are promoting some cleaning product, and if I scroll down, So in these images, I can see they are promoting some bedding product like pillow, bath pillows, or maybe bed sheets, right? So you need to watch some of these live session, or from the top left corner, you can explore these influencers one by one. For example, if I click on this one, DJ Roberto, so I can see this person profile, like this is his account and these kind of a sports product is promoting. So I can follow him, and you can see that 10 hours ago, he did a live session to promote sports product. So basically, if you are selling a sports product, then this person is good for you. You can just check out their storefront, try to contact them on Instagram or Facebook or even on their email and request them to add your product on their catalog as well. So when they review your product, so your product will start showing there, and during their live session in future as well, you can get sales. And for example, if I just open that listing, this one, so on the same listing of a product which is promoted by any influencer, so if you click on the video, so along with the product video, you can also find some other video which the influencer has basically reviewed and upload the video. You can see that if I click on show more, so here are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and so on. Like there are more than 7 videos which are basically videos recorded by influencers, and when they review these products in the live session, so you can get sales from the live session as well, and then that video will be automatically added to your listing, so people can actually see other videos about your product, like how to use that product, how this product can benefit them. So when they see your products in action in these videos by the influencer, so the chances for you to getting more extra sale will be super high. So now after watching this video, I'm not sure what are you waiting for. Go there, try to find out some influencer and contact them and let your product reviewed by hundreds of influencers on Amazon. So in that way you can get some free sales and make more money. So that's it for today guys. I hope you really enjoyed the video and learned something great from it. So if you find my content really informative and helpful for you, then make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel as well, so you can watch more and more videos like this in future. Let's meet in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye.